In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Google Drive files. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily and efficiently change file ownership on Google Drive. Whether you're passing on important documents, collaborating more effectively, or simply ensuring your files are managed properly, transferring ownership is a straightforward process. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and going to drive.google.com. Once you're there, ensure that you're logged into the correct Google account where your files are stored. This might seem like a basic step, but it's crucial to avoid any confusion later on. Next, locate the file that you want to transfer. In your main Drive view, this can be done by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top if you know exactly what you're looking for. Once you have found the file, select it. You can do this by either clicking directly on the file or checking the box next to it if you're in list view. Selecting the correct file is important, especially if you manage multiple files or share your drive with others. Now, with your desired file selected, look for the share icon. This is typically found at the top right of the screen and looks like a person with a plus sign. Clicking on this will open a sharing menu. This menu is where you can control who has access to your file and what level of control they have. You've probably used this before to share files with colleagues or friends. Once you see the sharing menu, look for the section that displays the current roles assigned to each person with access to the file. You should see the owner role highlighted. Click on the owner's role and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides you with options for adjusting the access levels of each participant. It might seem familiar if you've ever needed to change permissions for others before. Now, in the drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says Transfer Ownership. Click on this. Once you do, the system will guide you to choose the new owner from the list of people who already have access to the file. If you haven't shared the file with the person you want to transfer it to, you'll need to add their email in the previous sharing stage. With the new owner selected, finalize the process by confirming your choice. This step ensures that the new owner has full control over the file. Now the file's ownership is successfully transferred and the new owner will be notified. And that's it. You've successfully transferred a file ownership on Google Drive, streamlining your collaboration and file management process. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.